Hey, what's up? I didn't even notice you all day. Mike here from Netter Gold. How are you all doing today? We're in sunny Florida. We're hanging out, and I want to show you all what's in my toiletry bag. You know, what I brought from Mickey's first trip to Disney and my first trip to American Disney. So we're going to show you all, well, I'm going to show you all what's in the bag. You can figure out what you need for your glow and keep it up, and we can go from there, okay? Because as you all know, I'm working on the weekend like usual. All right, any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below. And yeah, please subscribe to the channel though, because I can't afford any of this. So I purchased all this on credit card fraud. So I really would appreciate you all's assistance, and you know, just get my views up, you know, my subscribers up, get hit the little bell notification or something. You know, thanks, appreciate it. All right, let's go to that. All right, let's pan or something, tilt, zoom. I don't have any of those effects. All right.